Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to record a Google Slides lesson presentation with audio and video. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to Google Slides and sign into your account. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage where you can create a new presentation or open an existing one. Next, you'll need to install a helpful Chrome extension called Record to Slides, which allows you to record directly within Google Slides. To get it, go to Google and type Record to Slides in the search bar. From the search results, click the link that takes you to the Chrome Web Store page for this extension. Once there, click Add to Chrome and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After installation, refresh or reload your Google Slides page so the extension can activate properly. Once the extension is active, you'll notice a new recording icon or menu option within your Google Slides interface. Open your desired presentation, and you should see this new feature available. Click on the Record option. A window or small menu will appear, allowing you to begin your recording session. Before you start recording, make sure both your microphone and camera are enabled if you want to include audio and video in your presentation. When everything is ready, click Start Recording and begin presenting your slides just as you would in a live session. Once you've finished, stop the recording and save your video. And that's it. So that is how you can record a Google Slides lesson presentation with audio and video. So that's all for this video. Thanks.